everyone, welcome back to my channel Anni Activity and thank you for your all support. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to like and subscribe. As well, a lot of new videos coming up. So for today's video, I wanted to try something simple and easy. I am going to cool tissue paper craft for Independence Day. Let us see how it gonna turns out. I got a tissue paper, some water, a glue and a acrylic color. So I am using saffron, white and green color because I am making Independence Day craft. I draw an Indian map on paper. So let us start. So my art piece is done. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for my new upcoming videos. Bye bye guys.